thumbnail of my short clip video.
Alright, yeah.
So guys,
Where's your other phone?
I'm excited to see what is in here, you know. So let's go. I'm mainly excited about the shoes, to be honest. It's all in, guys. It's all in.
I think those will have your. Do those will have your address on them?
Hello. Huh?
Those will. Do
Hi,
those?
KK. Welcome to my live. Huh?
Do those have your address on them?
No. These don't have. Shopping haul. We are doing unboxing for shopping haul. And this is all from Shein. I don't know if you call it Shein or Shein.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Holiday loading.
These-
But
these-
I'm more
these
excited about the
companies have
shoes
weird names
than
that I
anything else.
don't pronounce.
Because I've never bought shoes from Shein. I actually want to know. Asha, come on, keep taking short clips for my status. And the whole family is here to help me out. But let me check the shoes out first.
Okay.
Raquel, don't check out anything. Yeah? Raquel is my assistant. Asha is on the camera.
The
Mr.
shoes are
Robert
there.
is just admiring from the other side. It's loads. This is box number 2. I unboxed the other one last week. Okay, let's take it out of the box, shall we? Raquel, come and help me hold the other one
Okay.
on the floor. Hold it up.
Okay.
Cameraman. Come on. Do your job.
We can't stop jumping.
I feel like the camera is too far. Okay. Oh, Raquel, please wait. Let's do the...
This is one of them.
Yeah, I want to try it. See what Shein shoes look like. Because I've never... Raquel, what are you doing?
I'm putting it closer.
Closer? No, but they couldn't see it.
Is it all a fit for you?
Yeah, of course. Nothing for you, my duck. You don't need any more clothes. You don't even wear the ones you have. I think we might have to take the phone off the tripod, Raquel, to be honest. Oh, gosh, that's too plasticky. Gosh, they're very light, like a feather.
Yeah. Oh, and this.
Come on, Raquel. Look. Wow. Asha,
Yeah.
I don't know if we will manage with the tripods because some of it they can't see.
I'll move it down.
Okay. Yeah. Oh my days. I think their sizes are different from the normal size. They can't see my feet. Maybe you might need to hold it, Asha, and take it off the tripod.
Let me try dressing the whole.
I haven't done this for a while, guys. Just bear with me. I'll hold it, Asha. Please.
Yeah.
Just turn the camera to your side.
Alright.
No, because they can't see my feet. And I want to show them my feet.
Yeah, I was just seeing the. Oh, yeah.
Can I see my feet now?
Yeah.
Oh, let me go in the light. Here. I don't know. I can't remember the prices, so please don't ask me. Don't ask for the prices. Just go on. So that's shoe number 1.
Okay.
Asha, did you take a picture of this?
Yeah.
There's another shoe here.
This definitely looks big. Goodness me, what size did I get?